I don't know if it's just me, but midsummer always feels a little different than the beginning of the season. The excitement of summer is still here, but somewhere between garden projects, grocery runs, mystery laundry piles, and trying to keep the chickens from redesigning the backyard, things start to feel a little lived in. So, over the next couple of days, I'm tackling a few spaces that have been quietly asking for attention, restocking a few essentials, and I just want to give everything a gentle midsummer reset. Nothing dramatic, no perfect Pinterest moments, just making things work with what we've got and slowly reclaiming a few corners from chaos. So, grab your coffee, your laundry basket, or whatever project you've been avoiding today, and come hang out with me for a little midsummer reset. If you're new here, my name is Rita Slenny, and I'm an actress, author, lifestyle content creator, and your shopping bestie over on Amazon Live. And over here, we love to do all things homemaking, decorating, decluttering, and just shuffling all the piles to different rooms, mostly. Do you hear the chickens outside? Should we check on the girls? Do you hear them hustling? Come on. Come on. Let's go outside. Hello. Good morning. One thing I love about summer is that every day seems to have its own personality. One day it's blazing hot, the next it's raining, and somehow the backyard ends up looking completely different every time I walk outside. Is this relatable? Anyway, after a couple of days of rain, everything needed a little bit of a reset out here. So the chairs needed uncovered, the umbrellas needed to go back up, the garden needed a quick check in, and y'all, when it's raining, it is probably my favorite time of summer because it relieves me of my gardening evening daily watering routine. But anyway, of course, the chickens were busy conducting their daily bug patrol, and that is literally the most important, right? So honestly, they might be the hardest working members of this household. Let's just give them props. Yep, yep, clap, clap, round of applause. I always wish the rain would stick around a little longer. I know, I'm just still on this. But we'll take what we can and enjoy the cooler temperatures while they last. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite thing to do after a rainy day? Head out to the garden, sit on the porch with a cup of coffee, go for a walk, or are you like my chickens and immediately start hunting for snacks? You arugula. This is just not gonna make it. She's my little buddy. She's always hanging out with me. And she, for the most part, will not go. I know as soon as I say this, she's going to go in there. Scoping it out. What are you doing, Reba? Reba. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, this space has been quietly annoying me for months. I know everyone has one. A corner, a chair, a shelf, a mystery pile, a place that somehow collects everything except what actually belongs there. So before it got too hot, I wanted to spend a little time out here in the courtyard. For some reason, this space turns into an oven every summer. The mosquitoes love it, the heat loves it, and apparently clutter loves it too. I've already removed one piece of furniture from this area in the opposite corner here a couple of weeks ago, I believe, and it made such a big difference that I started looking around and realizing this corner might be the next candidate for retirement. You know those spaces, they slowly become a collection of point for random things. Not enough to qualify as a full-blown disaster, but enough that every time you walk by it, your brain quietly whispers, "We should probably deal with that someday." Well, friends, someday has finally showed up. The funny thing is, I wasn't planning to declutter this space at all this year or next or last year or maybe ever, but it did just sort of happen. One small change led to another, and before I knew it, I was rethinking the whole corner. Tell me I'm not alone here. Poll time. Do you have A, let's put a chair for a trouble spot. Let's put a box emoji for option number 2, a mystery drop zone. Or 3, a tornado emoji for several areas currently under investigation. Vote in the poll and make me feel better. By the way, if you're enjoying today's little midsummer reset and it's helping motivate you to tackle a project of your own, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It really does help support the channel and lets YouTube know there are other people out there who enjoy hanging out, cleaning, gardening, decluttering, and trying to keep up with life's never-ending collection of tiny subplots. And if you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe and join us. We're all just doing our best, making things work with what we've got, and occasionally getting distracted by chickens. Now let's get these groceries put away before I accidentally leave something on the counter and discover it 3 hours from now. One thing I've been trying to get better about this summer is actually enjoying the spaces after I spend all that time working on them. I think sometimes it's easy to jump from one project to the next and never really stop long enough to appreciate the progress. And while, yes, there are definitely still things I'd like to tackle around here, today's reset reminded me that things don't have to be perfect to feel good. Sometimes a clean corner, a quiet cup of coffee, a favorite summer dress, and a little breathing room are more than enough. So before the day gets away from me, I'm going to take a minute to enjoy it. to give you a quick look. I have pretty much cleared everything out. I don't know why, but I love these cardboard life-size cutouts. Yes, we only have half the door painted. It's so hot right now. Summer is my low energy time of year. Put a little sun emoji in the comments below if that is the same for you. But we have cleared all of this, so that feels a lot better. It's not quite done, obviously, but it's too hot right now. I'm not gonna keep going out here. I'm gonna move this over here. This is all going with us on a trip, and I'm giving these items to family. And I wanna move this, I think in that corner there. Just balance it out with the white furniture-ish type of vibe thing going there. But that's about as far as we're gonna get in this space today. And I've taken down pretty much all the summer decor, at least out here. There's still the front foyer still. I need to take stuff down. I'm probably not gonna I'm not getting into that.